Hey Vicky, it's Tia. So I'm recording this quick video, just a couple things about your website that you can implement today. I know you're not really looking for SEO strategies because you get the majority of your clients from social media. But I'm not sure, and I'm not prying as to how much you're spending for the hosting of this site, but I think that, it would be interesting to you to know that you could have a pretty decent site displaying the majority of, your work in some really beautiful pictures. All the pictures that you have posted, um, for roughly $16 a month. And then since you already have your domain, all you'd have to do is transfer that over. And then if you wanted to integrate, like payment, being able to take payment and things like that, you could get the e-commerce um, plan, which I believe it's somewhere between $30 and $40 a month. I want to say it's $30 a month, but and that is through a site called Weebly. So real quick, let me just kind of, obviously this is your site here. So on the surface, I did a word count. You've got 246 words. Usually the more content, the better. And I know you're probably thinking, well, why would people want to read stuff about, you know, the decorating and customization niche? But um, I don't know. I guess it's just um, a trust building, you know, thing that you can do. 1,500 words is probably the minimum that you want to have on your homepage, and then for your service pages, 250, maybe even 500 words. Um, I don't have my SEO Quake up, but you do have some pages indexed, so that's good. I did do a quick um, backlink and citation search, and you have 0 citations and 0 backlinks. And citations are basically anywhere that you have your NAP information, which is your name, address, and your phone number. And there's tons of free business directories that you can go on and enter your information, and then each time you do that, that is considered 1 citation. Backlinks, those are essentially votes, in other words, in Google's eyes. So say you had a link from a blog that where you commented about whatever article. The article has to have something to do with your niche, which customizing and party decorations and things like that. So you would go there, you'd leave a comment on the article, you would leave a link to your site, which would be a do follow link, and then you would get like kind of like juice or energy from that site, depending on how good their how strong their site is for the niche, and then that would kind of that's all, again, all under on the back end of the whole SEO side. But anyway, so you don't have, oh, and what I was getting at with the backlinks is the more backlinks that you have, and my screen just got dim, the more relevant Google will say that your site is for, your niche. So we have your phone number here, and we have your email, which is good, but this phone number is not clickable. Some people, when they come to a site and they have questions, or, they want to order something or whatever, they want to be able to call your business quickly, because if they got to look and find, search for it and stuff like that, that may deter them. So changing this to a clickable phone number would be a good thing to do. Also, adding a contact form on this page would be a pretty good move. That way, if somebody, wanted to ask you questions, um, or just wanted to, say, hey, I'm looking for this type of um, you know, a t-shirt or a cup or whatever. And I know, again, you have your email here and you also prefer to speak through text, but I'm just, giving you just some more ideas. So if you were open to this, I would love to throw up a quick sample site for you. It would have the clickable phone number, the contact form, and again, this is free of charge. I'm not asking for anything from you, um, except maybe a review. But if you sent me, I would say 20 pictures, I could throw up a site in the next day or two, just for you to look at. Again, I'm not trying to, if you're not interested at all, just let me know. I completely understand. Um, and again, it would only be, I think Weebly charges $16 a month. Um, and yeah, so let me know what you think. You can either private message me, and then we can, exchange the pictures and things like that, as well as your logo via email. You can email me at info at digitalrevolutionconsulting.com. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.